Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to join a Roblox group. So to join a Roblox group, you will have to install your Roblox in your phone or in your tablets or in your PC. Next there, you will have to go to the More tab right here in the left corner of your screen, and then you'll have to locate your groups. Once you locate your groups right here, you will see a bunch of groups. So you would want to search a group that you want to join, or you will want to create a group that you want to create with your friends or so and so more. So here you wanna just check out those that are really available right here. So let's just check this out right here. So you can join the group by just tapping join group right here in the top right corner. And now you have successfully joined the group and you can check out more groups. So here in the group you will see what they're about, the events, store, affiliates, and many much more. So you can also leave the group if you want to. So just here, if you want to make this your primary group, you can do so. If you want to leave the group, you can also do so, and right there. So you can check out more groups right here in the group tab right here, as I've said, so that you can join groups, so that you can play with friends and discover communities within Roblox.